Hello and welcome to the littleGasthaus, a German sausage maker. Today I tell something about 10 different sausages from 10 different countries. So stay tuned. And then we got the Anduila, oh, difficult word. Also, grind 4mm. Curing is occasionally used. Smoked ones for preservation. The flavor is smoky, spicy with garlic, paprika, and cayenne pepper note. The casing, natural hung casing, the 30 to 32mm diameter, length variation typical between 15 and 20 centimeters. Okay, Louisiana, they are smoked, spicy, used in gumbo, jambalaya, red beans and rice. And Southern Carolina, smoky, slightly milder, perfect for eating with shrimps and grits and Brunswick stew. The French white wine, marinated, mild in spices, with rice, sausage stuffing, and cabbage rolls. Merguez, they are finely ground, 2mm. Curing salt is rarely used. Release on cooking safety. If you want to get sure, no problem. The flavor is spicy, savory with cumin, coriander, and chili flakes notes. And the casing, natural sheep casing, 20-22mm diameter, short links, 5 to 7 centimeters. And you got them in Morocco, and they're spicy, often grilled with lamb and served with tagines and stews. In Tunisia, they're habanero spiced, and the American sandwiches and brick pastries. In Algeria, it's coriander forwarding, enjoyed with grill and couscous dishes. And then there's another German one, the Weisswurst. Cutting this is fine grind, 3mm. Of course, usually they use cutters to get them real fine. So it always depends what you're doing. No curing salt. They are scalded for immediate consuming. Flavor, delight, veal forwarding with parsley and citrus notes. The casing, natural hung casing, 30 to 34mm diameter, short links, 10-12 centimeters. Usually they're not eating the skin. And the Munich traditional recipe relies on field flavors, served poached with sweet mustard and pretzel. And the Franconian smoked variation, slightly stronger flavor, popular with beer and potato salad. Nürnberger, smaller links, often enjoyed with sausage stands with bread and onion. And then we got our Frankfurter hot dogs. So cutting this is fine grind, 3mm. I would say gets even finer. You need a cutter to get a good sausage. Curing salt, sometimes used primarily for shell life. Well, you also use it for changing the color a little bit. And the flavor is savory, meaty with garlic and mustard note. And the casing is natural cheap casing, 32 millimeter or smaller. The length varies between 15 and 20 centimeters. Depends on how big your bun is, where you put it on. Okay, Vienna. Simmered, served with Kaiser rolls and mustard. Well, that's my favorite. The Franks, smoked, enjoyed with a roll and apple wine. And well, I have them in Chicago, steamed, and poppy seed buns with relish, mustard, vegetables, Chicago style hot dog. And then we get the Spanish Langonza. This is a medium grind, 4 millimeter. The curing salt always is used for the cured variation, optional for the fresh ones. Fresh and cured. Fresh is soft with paprika forwarding, and firm. The cured one is firm and smoky. Casing is natural home casing, 36, 38 millimeter diameter. And the length typical is 20 to 30 centimeters. The Castilian cured paprika rich, ideal for slicing and serving with cheese and olives. And Leon is spiced, smoked, and used in stews and burritos. Okay, then you got the Rioja. I don't know if I pronounce it right. Then it's more garlicky, enjoyed, grilled, or in tortillas, do chorizo. Spanish omelette. Okay, guys, that was it. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumb up if you liked it, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.